Kamiti ya thirikari ya gutetera ihoto cia umundu Kenya National Commission on Human Rights niyo ihokirwo gibarua gia gutangikira na kuriha aria manahutio hindi ya mirurungano no na gukiri uguo kwina nganja iraumana na wiyathi wa kamiti ino hari gukinyaniria gibarua giki hatari kuingirirwo ni thirikari. Ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu igitongorio ni Voco Africa ikienda commission ino ikinyanirie gibarua giki na waragania uria hetwo ni gatiba.
The Kenya National Commission on Human Rights can and must do better, particularly in ensuring transparency, accountability, and a genuine victim-centered approach. At present, there is a growing sense of frustration among victims and their families.
Tunataka hii tume ifanye kazi kwa uhuru, wafanye kazi bila kuingiliwa na yoyote yule. Na pale wanapoendeleza kazi hii, wafanye kazi kwa uwazi na uwajibikaji.
Ikundi cia oho no ciendekithĩtie aria meriga KUHUTIO ica ikuhĩ muno makiria kuumana na mirurungano ya Gen Z mabe matangikirwo.
Prioritization of recent violations. The Commission must prioritize claims arising from the most recent incidents, particularly those linked to the Gen Z protests in 2024 and 2025, and thereafter work backwards. The recency of these violations means that victims and families are still in acute distress and require urgent intervention and redress.
Hamwe noguo, commission ino NICIURITIE kuheana riboti ikinyaniru kuri aria mahutitio noho iheane riboti kaingi na kaingi gutigirira waragania kuri muingi. Ningi kamiti ino itikire kunyitanira na ikundi ingi cia wendi mwega ukinyanirie-ini wa ndeto ino.
Since 2024 June up to date sijamuona, mimi sijazika na mpaka wa leo sijui yako wapi. Then after that wakati walisema tulete makaratasi nimeleta, sina anything else apart from pisha yake na OB. Sasa mtu kama mimi niko wapi?
Hatutaki process ambayo inafanywa kwa haraka, ambayo itakuwa na makosa hapa na pale kwa sababu imeharakishwa. So tuhakikishe tumefanya kazi hii kwa ustadi, tumeifanya kazi hii kwa kuangalia masuala ya waathiriwa, ndio tuhakikishe kila mtu amepata haki yake.